Hi, I'm here at the Timber Creek Townhomes in Glenwood Springs, and I'm really excited to show you this new property. My name is Hattie Lopez. I'm with Valley Real Estate. Let's go take a look. Welcome to 238 West Timber Creek Drive. Come on in. A 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhouse with 1,028 square feet, offered at $519,000. One of the biggest highlights here is a 2-car attached tandem garage with a storage area. It offers direct access into the home, which is a huge convenience for everyday life. On the main level, you'll notice the wood floors, big windows, and great natural light. Off the kitchen, there's a balcony. It's a simple spot to step outside for some fresh air. You will also have access to a small fenced backyard, and this home is set up for easy ownership with forced air heat and central air conditioning. As for location, you're close to a public park with Mitchell Creek running nearby, plus easy access to I-70, and you're just minutes from shopping and the hot springs. If you'd like more information about this property, give me a call or send me a text. I'm Hattie Lopez with Valley Real Estate. Thanks for watching.